Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. Good afternoon to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is mid-monthly reading for all the Capi Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of this month, August 2025. It's not a love reading or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. The overall energy for Capricorn people for the rest of the month of August 2025 is, let's see. I should be a host in a show or something, right? Lottery winner is, tada! We have the Six of Cups. So Capricorn, you are going to live in some kind of nostalgia, like missing past energies, past people, past situations, or connecting with past people, past situations. Maybe meeting with friends or families, or visiting those places where you used to go. It's like basically living in some kind of nostalgic energy in a very beautiful and positive way, or missing those good old days. And for some of you, you are already doing it while I'm talking to you, and you might be feeling like, oh my god, it's crazy, right? It happens a lot of times to us. Yeah. So it's basically you missing the past energies, past people, past situations in some way, and missing those sweet energies, sweet uh, time of your life where you had a very beautiful bonding with certain people, certain situations, or a group of people, and trying to revisiting those kind of energies, revisiting memories, revisiting life. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. Three of Cups. Okay, there was a sense of enjoying your life to the fullest and just having collaborations, partnerships, light-hearted kind of connections and friendships, and you enjoying your life to the fullest and or trying to. Okay, let me connect with the current energies. Eight of Wands. Life is moving at a very fast pace for you guys right now at this present moment. You might be traveling a lot, or you might be doing a lot of things at like at once, and it might be a little bit overwhelming for you. But you are trying your best to move ahead as with the pace with this direction. Okay. By the end of this month, we have the Queen of Pentacles, a lot of stability and money issues are going to be resolved, and or you are going to get some kind of stable offer, to create something really beautiful and meaningful for you. Let's clarify these cards one by one in order to get the clear picture of the situation for you guys, Cappies. We had the Hermit card, the Fool, and the Three of Pentacles. Okay. So, mhm, you were thinking about what kind of connections you had, what kind of company you had, what kind of friendships and collaborations and partnerships you had. You were thinking a lot about being serious about your life, being serious about the kind of people, kind of energies you are surrounded with. You felt like, okay, enough of this shit. It's like suddenly I became mature, suddenly I came out of my cocoon, and I felt like, okay, the child life is over, the childish kind of energies are over, and I should be serious about my life now. I should be serious about my job, career, and overall energies. So my circle should change, my friendships, my connections, my partnerships should change. Maybe you were in a friend circle or in the company of group of people where they were not able to give you exactly what you wanted as a friend, as a person, as a soul. Now you are trying your best to change that and connect with those people, those situations, those kind of energies that's going to make you feel like, okay, you are at home. They got your back. It's like not a sudden shift out of the blue. It's not happening. You're thinking about it like from a very long time now, especially from the last 9 weeks. It's happening that you're trying to change the kind of people and energies that you're surrounded with, and now you just want to flip the page and connect with those situations or people that are going to make you feel grounded and safe and secure. Awesome. It can be actually related to your friend circle, job or career or business circle, or overall in life you are feeling like, okay, this is time for me to change this kind of energies. Currently we have the Eight of Wands. Let's clarify this. We have the Ace of Swords, the King of Pentacles, the Page of Swords. You're mentally very, very clear that all you want in your life is stable, safe, secure future ahead of you. Financial future, I'm talking about the future that is uh, totally carefree. You are learning ways to ensure that the future direction of your life, you can say you are planning about your retirement. It's like you got the proper clarity of this much money, this much financial stability, or this much amount of assets I should have in my life so that I can have a peaceful life. And the moment you are trying to go ahead in this direction and make this happen, life is suddenly becoming very fast for you. You're like, okay, I have less time and I have a lot to do in my life, lot to achieve in my life. So let's start. And you're trying to learn as you're going. You are trying to learn to go with the pace and achieve whatever your goal is, whatever you want to achieve in your life, in a very mentally clear state of mind. Yeah, it's like a major energy shift, and you're trying your best to go with the pace, go with the flow. It's fast, but you're trying your best to go ahead with that, and you're learning as you're going. Okay, by the end of this month we have the Queen of Pentacles. Let's clarify this. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, and the Hierophant. So it's like some kind of offer is going to be there for you. It might be a choice between two job or career opportunities, or a choice between job or business opportunities. Should you leave your job and start your business, or the vice versa, or maybe between two stable relationship offers. So it's like you are going to be very much in this energy of, I have to have a very stable, long term committed kind of energy in my life, and I want to choose the right one for myself. Okay, and it's going to take you some time in order to make the right choice here, in order to make the right decision here, because your end goal is to have something very stable, practical, grounded, that you can rely on for the rest of your life, maybe whatever the case may be, even if it is your relationship or relationships with other people, with multiple people, or it's your career or job opportunity, or it's related to money. Okay, I do see you walking away from this confusion and making the final decision of, this is what I want, and this is how I am going to proceed in this direction. It's like your mind is set, your energies are aligned, your heart is set. You're going to leave some kind of unstable situation, connection, friendships, deals behind you, and you are going to straight away go towards a very stable, safe, secure kind of energy that is going to make you feel like this was meant to be. It's like a spiritual kind of alignment, kind of energy that you're going to feel towards a particular person, situation, or goal by the end of this month, and you're going to feel like this was meant to be, because you're going to feel spiritually aligned on this path towards this goal of yours, whatever it is, or decision or choice of yours. And definitely it's going to make you feel like, wow, this is it, I found it, right? For you, the guidance is the Two of Pentacles. Yes, while you are going to make this choice of letting go of something unstable, someone unstable, or the unstable energies overall from your life, it's going to make you a little bit more confused than what you are right now, because the choice is not going to be easy for you. So try to just calm down, try to just relax, try to be in this neutral state of mind and connected with your heart, soul, and mind, and find a balance, and then make the choice. So don't make any kind of choice or decision in rush or hurry. Take your time and then make the right choice. Okay, it's going to take some time. It's not going to be easy for you, like, okay, let's get out of my life. No, it's going to take some time for you to finally analyze what you should let go of and what you should hold on to. But again, don't do anything in any kind of rush or hurry, and then make the right choice, because you are anyway going to make the right choice here. But let's be a little gentle, and let's be a little not so much in rush or hurry. You're not, but just a gentle reminder. Okay, for you, let's see the final message from the angel cards. Your plans are working out very well. See, I told you. Professional and financial success, awesome. Using resources wisely, yes, the same thing, but use your resources wisely. Whatever resources you have gathered till this point of your life, the resources can be your energy of you're like connected to your heart and mind equally and balanced, or it could be like financial resources or anything. Okay, so choose wisely. So thank you so much for tuning in, Capricorn. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.